Waved it off and everything, never left. I went inside, went into the safe, got the weapon, came out, tried to shoot off again. It didn't move. I fired one round at it. Now they say I hit it, so I must be a good shot.
What's up, guys? Squink here. I'm here to break down yet another video and hopefully answer the question of what the hell are the cops doing? What the hell are they doing? So I'm here to answer that question using my law enforcement background and any other questions that may pop up from today's video, which comes from Donuts Raw Police Footage. Florida man shoots at Wal-Mart drone. Can't wait. Let's jump in. I've never seen this.
At one point today, did a drone fly over your house and you shoot at it? I'm gonna be real blunt with you and ask.
Yeah.
You did?
As a matter of fact, I do recall that. Yes. Was it a Walmart drone? Yeah, I shot the shit out of it.
Okay, why'd you shoot at it?
Because I thought it was somebody and turn around playing games on my house.
I got you. Where did you see the drone at?
Right above me.
What, can you walk out and just kind of show me?
Okay. So it's important to note that many residential jurisdictions prohibit the use of firearms within city limits, so... Uh-oh.
Right there.
Sitting straight above it?
Straight above me.
Do you have any idea?
Hovered, lowered some kind of cord down or something, turned around, sent something back up, and then after it was shot at, it turned around and went north.
Gotcha. Okay. What'd you shoot at it with?
9mm.
Okay. All right.
How much trouble am I in?
Quite a bit. You've been honest with me. I'm gonna be honest with you. Quite a bit, actually. So there's a federal charge that goes along with it. There's a felony charge that goes along with it. That's kind of like where we're at.
Okay.
Okay.
What happens and what happens and what?
Well, before we continue this conversation, I'm really just for you being honest. You really just took me off guard. I'm not gonna.
What am I going to do? I'm going to lie?
True. All right, sir.
Good on him.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say
will put me under arrest.
I'm just going to arrange you the Miranda warning just so I can get it out. That way you and I can continue our conversation, okay?
I understand the Miranda warning. I don't have to speak to you unless I want an attorney.
Right.
Okay?
I got you. Let me just read you this
Still
real
gotta
quick,
read
and then
it, though.
we'll go from there, okay? You have the right to remain silent? Go ahead, Serge. 26. I'm already talking to him. All right, Serge, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. If you want to head out underneath it, get out the rain. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. You understand each of these rights I have explained to you. Having these rights in mind, you wish to talk to us now.
Yes, I understand my rights.
Yeah, I got you. So, it was hovering above your house. It lowered something down.
No, it just hovered above my house.
You said something about the pulley system.
A cord or something. It stayed there for about 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And, yes, I shot at it. Okay.
I got you.
And the cord went up. It turned because it was facing east.
Okay.
It was headed towards Walmart, weirdly. I do remember that. It was headed towards Walmart.
Because that's east, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was working on my pool equipment.
Oh, you were outside when you noticed it?
Oh, I was working on my pool equipment.
Gotcha.
Waved it off and everything, never left. I went inside, went into the safe, got the weapon, came out, tried to shoot off again. It didn't move. I fired one round at it. Now they say I hit it, so I must be a good shot, or else it's not that far away. So I'm under all sorts of... They say there's $10,000 worth of damage to the drone and all sorts of stuff. So
who's he talking
I'm going to wind up having to find a real good defense lawyer.
You want a coffee in the front?
Whatever you need to do by protocol.
Well, no, we have...
We've been fine.
Notice how he immediately told the truth, immediately told his side of the story. He's not hooting and hollering at him. He recognizes that he fucked up. And he's not throwing a fit. That's not usual.
Fine, there's no issues. We're not,
Yeah.
Just let me know if it's too tight, all right?
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I mean, that's not where my mind went, but
Yes.
Jesus. Okay, so is he wearing? Is that a police badge, Lieutenant? I really do think this is a support the police shirt. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? Okay, really not much to grade here. He read him his Miranda rights when he was supposed to. He's respectful. I think all the cops at the end mostly just wanted to see what this guy looked like. I think that's why they all showed up. Anyway, yeah, this dude immediately recognized he screwed up after shooting at the Wal-Mart drone, and yeah, that's that. I give the cops an A+. I am looking for more footage where the cops are not behaving correctly, where they're almost considered bad cops. I would really enjoy if you guys sent me those videos, because I feel like at the end of these videos I'm always giving the cops A+. Case in point right here. I would like to break down videos in which the cops are not behaving well at all, so I can give my honest opinion on that type of behavior. So if you have those videos, you can message me on X, or tag me in a video on X, or email it, squinkgalonk@gmail.com. I'll put both of those in the description. But yeah, I would like to start getting into heavier videos where the cops are considered bad cops in the video, where they're under a lot of public scrutiny. I would like to break those down, because these ones are fun, yeah, but are we really learning anything from them? Okay, that's gonna do it. I do these videos every single day using my police background to break down the raw reality of these videos, giving my unfettered opinion, and just being truthful, just like this fella right here. That'll do it. I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Goodbye.